There's enough to go for the running of the 34th edition of the Kingfisher Ultra Derby, Bangalore Grade 1 2022 as the field settles down to race. Revolution it is from Angelico. Etosha right on the haunches as they travel towards the grandstand for the first time. Silverius comes in next. Not far behind is All Attractive. Eternal Blaze is the one which is just behind All Attractive. And Zuccarelli is nicely settled in that last position as they go past the winning post for the first time. They take the right-handed turn and swing away towards the 1800-meter marker. And it's Revolution it is, the one which is showing the pace by about 2 to the head of Angelico. Etosha is not far behind in third as the birds scatter out at the 1600-meter marker. Silverius comes to next at the 1600. Another 3.5 lengths behind is All Attractive, followed by Eternal Blaze, and running last is Zuccarelli. The Western India Challenger, it is Revolution, setting the pace by about 2 in front of Angelico. The winner of the South India 2,000 guineas. Right behind there comes the next is Silverius. Not far behind is Etosha. In between runners All Attractive, who ran second behind Angelico in the South India 2,000 guineas, comes the next. Then comes the 1,000 guineas winner at Bangalore, that is Eternal Blaze, who ran third to in the Bangalore Oaks. Zuccarelli is the one who won the Pune Derby and ran second behind A Star Is Born at the 1,000 meter marker as they head towards the 900 and go past it at the moment. Back to the leader. Silverius has now taken over the running as the lead has now changed to Silverius, who sets the pace by about 2 in front of Etosha in second. Angelico is the one who is nicely settled to run third. All Attractive is not far behind, beautifully positioned, and Zuccarelli is the one which is starting to creep upon the outside, gradually improving positions on end every stride, with Eternal Blaze is not far behind, and Revolution is completely fading out of it as it enters into the home straight. Little over 400 to travel in the running of the Kingfisher Ultra Derby, Bangalore Grade 1 2022, and it's Zuccarelli comes and blazes past the front runner, and it looks to be a one-horse race. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go and stand in the queue as Zuccarelli is extending the margin and is going further and further away to lift the Kingfisher Ultra Derby Bangalore Grade 1. And what a win it is for Zuccarelli, who ran second to A Star Is Born in Bombay, is now come and shown its form here in Bangalore.